Welcome to this tutorial on how to insert a footnote in a PowerPoint presentation. In this guide, you will learn how to add additional context or reference information to your slides by inserting a custom footer. We will walk through each step so that you can confidently enhance your presentation with a footnote. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure that the application is fully opened and the home screen or start interface is visible. Once PowerPoint has launched, open the presentation where you want to include your footnote. Navigating to the correct presentation is essential whether you are working on a new project or modifying an existing file. After your presentation is open, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Today we will be focusing on the Insert tab, which houses many useful options to add various elements to your slides. Click on the Insert tab to display all available commands and tools. Within this tab, locate the section labeled with text options. Here you will find a feature called Header and Footer. Once you see this option, click on it to open a dialog box specifically designed for adding headers, footers, and other annotations to your slides. With the header and footer dialog box now open, look for the checkbox that corresponds to the footer. Checking this box tells PowerPoint that you intend to add a footer message to your slides. This footer can serve as a footnote where you might include citations, additional information, or any other notes that need to be visible throughout your presentation. Once you have selected the footer option by checking the box, the field where you can enter text becomes active. Next, type in your desired footer text into the text field provided. It is important to add a concise yet informative message that will be clear to your audience. Whether you are incorporating a citation, your contact information, or a brief note for clarification, enter the text exactly as you want it to appear on every slide. After you have finished typing your footer, decide how you want the footer to be applied. If you want this footnote to appear on every slide in the presentation, you need to use the option provided for a global update. To apply the footer text across all slides, click on the button labeled Apply to All. This command ensures that the footnote you have created is added to every slide in your presentation, thereby maintaining consistency throughout your work. Taking this step is particularly helpful when your presentation is extensive and you do not want to manually add the footnote to each individual slide. By following these instructions methodically, you have learned how to enhance your PowerPoint presentation with a footnote. This ability to add consistent, useful information across your slides can improve the clarity of your presentation and provide your audience with valuable supplementary details. Enjoy experimenting with this feature and feel free to return to these steps whenever you want to add a new footnote or update an existing one.